Hi, my name is Ed Namikata from Brother Industries, Machinery Business Solution Group. Today's webinar brings you about our rotary table T-200A for Brothers Machine Tools Speedio. Since we released Speedio brand in 2013, we have sold Speedio series machines to a wide range of customers. Many of our valued customers requested us about Brothers' original rotary table along with the machine. In 2016, we released the rotary table T200 dedicated for Speedio series. Today, we shall introduce all features and advantages you can gain through using Brothers' rotary table T200A in our Speedio series machines. The major feature of T200A is a mechanical structure using a roller gear cam. Roller gear cam would provide you following features: high productivity, high speed positioning of 100 RPM, high accuracy, no backlash in positioning, long life, less degradation over time, and high stability, stable operation under uneven load. Here is a program of today's session showing the features of T200A. Feature number 1, about the mechanism of roller gear cam. The roller gear cam consists of input-output shafts and 4 cam followers in contact with them. The cam followers are in preloaded condition, achieving no backlash and higher rigidity. Furthermore, the cam followers will be rotating and transmitting the motor torque efficiently. It results to less burnout and no need of adjustment and longer life. See the roller gear cam motion in a movie. In this way, 4 cam followers are always in contact with the cam surface. You can see that cam followers rotate smoothly forward and backward. Feature number 2, high productivity. T200A gives a great contribution to reduce your cycle time. We achieved max speed of 100 RPM, which is a top-class speed in gear-type rotary table. The maximum speed of a general rotary table is 33 RPM, and the high-speed one is 66 RPM. T200A has 100 RPM, leading to reduce your positioning time. The usage of a quick exhaust valve helps to reduce the unclamping time of the pneumatic brake. As a result, we could reduce 180-degree indexing time in clamp mode from 1.11 second to 1.05 second. And further reduction of cycle time can be expected. In case the operation being small die holes, tabs, and other lower load machining operation, you can machine without using the clamp mechanism. The time required for clamp and unclamp can be set to 0 using unclamp mode, and it will lead to even faster indexing time. Comparing the indexing time, simply switching from worm gear type to T200A, you can reduce indexing time from 30% to 60%, even in the clamping mode. And it will be further reduced by using the unclamp mode. Comparing with a direct drive type, it is almost equivalent in clamp mode, but it can be reduced from 20% to 60% in unclamped mode. Feature number 3, high accuracy. The roller gear cam can provide high accuracy positioning. The input cam and output special both-sides preloaded cam followers are always in line contact, resulting in no backlash. Therefore, it enables high accuracy positioning and improves machining accuracy also. The red line part in the left figure is a contact part between cam part and special cam follower parts. The right picture shows the direction in which preload is applied. Here, we show a graph of positioning accuracy. X-axis shows table rotation angle, and Y-axis shows indexing accuracy. You can see that there's no difference between clockwise and counterclockwise rotation when rotating 360 degrees. Look at the chart below. the indexing accuracy of T-200A is 10 seconds or less, whereas other companies' products mark higher value than us. T-200A repeatability is 4 seconds or less. Next, we show the high accuracy machining even in case of turning direction is reversed. In T-200A, there's no backlash due to the preload applied to the cam follower. So, high accuracy machining can be achieved even if the turning direction is reversed. It uses Speedio's high accuracy mode function to enable even higher accuracy machining. This is a sample shape machining, high accuracy machining with T-200A and high accuracy mode is performed. Speedio has parameters for T-200A and enables high accuracy, simultaneous 4th-axis machining. This feature is effective in synchronized additional axis machining such as lens barrels. Feature number 4, long life. T-200A has a long life and is maintenance-free. The special cam follower used in the roller gear cam rotates as seen in the movie. Therefore, cam and special cam follower become rolling bearings and it hardly worn out, eliminating the need of adjustment too. There's almost no degrading even after long-term use. The high accuracy positioning is maintained as well as machining accuracy can be improved. In contrast, typical rotary tables usually use worm gear type reducers, which frictionally drive the gear surface, resulting in degradation due to wear. This will require regular adjustment. Here, we show the long life of our rotary table. The accuracy changes after indexing 1/8 million times in 12 seconds or less. This means that after about 10 years of 24 hours of operation, the degradation in accuracy is only 6 microns at the point of 100 millimeter. You can see the comparison test of worm gear products and T-200A. The accuracy degrade of worm gear product is 60 seconds at 6 million times. It would require regular adjustment, whereas T-200A roller gear cam doesn't require adjustment even after long-term use. Feature number 5, high stability. T-200A can also handle fixtures with large inertia. It has high inertia mode, which makes fixture design easier. Max rotation speed in the standard mode is 100 RPM with allowable inertia of 1 kilogram square meter. In the high inertia mode, max rotation speed is 50 RPM with 4 kilogram square meter allowable inertia. Most of the allowable inertia of other companies' tables is only 1 kilogram square meter as standard. The inertia of the fixture increases when the fixture is heavy or when the fixture is located at a distance from the center even with a light fixture. If the inertia increases, a larger force is required to rotate the table, and when the torque exceeds allowable torque of the servo motor, an alarm occurs. Next, I would like to introduce how to deal with unbalanced loads. T-200A can also handle unbalanced loads. Since the roller gear cam is preloaded from both directions, it stabilizes regardless of the direction of the load. On the other hand, the worm gear is stable in the direction of lifting up the unbalanced load from 0, 90, and 180. But when it comes to the side of the lowering, vibration occurs due to the backlash and alarm occurs. The table shows the result of the comparison test with an unbalanced load applied. The load image on the right is applied and is positioned to 0 degree, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 0 degree, or rotated by cutting feet or manual handle. T-200A didn't generate vibration or abnormal noise in any of the cases. Other companies' worm gear tables generate vibration in the direction of lowering the positioning or in the manual handle. T-200A has a large holding torque too. The clamping of T-200A takes advantage of the roller gear cam and basically is held only by the serve of the motor. Therefore, high-speed indexing is possible. Depending on the machining contents, the brake clamp can be turned on and off in the program, or the brake clamp and the serve of the motor can be used together. Maximum holding torque of 720 Nm is achieved. T-200A achieves high speed of 100 RPM with maximum allowable inertia of 1.0 kg square meter and holding torque of 720 Nm. Comparing to other companies' high clamp torque products, T-200A has both the contradictory features of high speed and power. Number 6. Specification and options. Here is a spec sheet of T-200A. Integrated type brake with roller gear cam, 100 kg maximum loading capacity, 1.0 kg square meter allowed with work inertia, 100 RPM maximum rotational speed, and 720 Nm maximum holding torque. Next, about the options. The rotary table body is available for both right and left-handed. We supply support table with and without clamp. The rotary joint for the main body has 6 ports as standard and 9 ports as a special spec. We supply subplates for each body and support too. At last, we would like to show a machining demonstration. Speedio S500X2 is equipped with a T200 for high-speed multi-surface machining for aluminum. Check the positioning speed. Thank you all for listening.